Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, after a rainy weekend, we're seeing the sun return today, and we're going to continue to see abundant sunshine as we go through the next couple of days through the middle of the week before we see some shower activity work its way back into the weekend or to the forecast for later Thursday into Friday. Looking at the conditions yesterday, we saw temperatures fairly mild throughout the region. Daytime high temperature of 53 degrees here at Wallops, 54 degrees at Newport News and at Norfolk. We also saw temperatures in the lower 50s in Ocean City and in Salisbury. Overnight last night, temperatures dropping into the 30s and 40s throughout the area, 41 degrees here at Wallops, 32 the cool spot at Richmond. And over the last 24 hours, you saw some precipitation throughout the area, some heavier showers up around the Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area yesterday. We saw most of our rain activity during the day on Saturday, but did see some trace amounts reported in the Tidewater region and here at Wallops over the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 40s throughout the area, 48 degrees under mostly sunny skies here at Wallops. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, at freezing level is at 3,400 feet, and our winds in the low levels of the atmosphere generally out of a northwesterly direction, and then we see those winds becoming more westerly in direction as we go up in height up to around 25,000 feet. We see a westerly wind at 68 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that area of low pressure that moved through the area over the weekend is well off the New England coastline now. High pressure beginning to build in from the west, and as a result, we're seeing sunny skies this morning as that moisture is pulled off to the north and east, and we are going to continue to see those dry conditions throughout the next couple of days. Breezy conditions will continue throughout the day today as that pressure gradient between the building high pressure and that exiting low will remain fairly tight over our region. Looking at our radar, you see nothing in our area currently and not expecting any precipitation throughout the remainder of the day. And then as we go into our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, you can see that high pressure building into our region a little closer as we go into the overnight period tonight and into the day on Tuesday. And that will allow our winds to really decrease as well as we go through the next couple of days, seeing fairly light winds during the day on Wednesday with breezy conditions expected today, tonight, and into the first part of Tuesday. As we get into Wednesday, we'll see another storm system begin to develop across the southern portion of the United States. Wednesday will remain dry. Most of Thursday will also remain dry as well, but we will see those rain showers begin to impact the area by Thursday evening, and especially Friday, where we could see some moderate to heavy showers throughout the area during the day on Friday. So taking a look at our next 24 hours in a little bit more detail, you're going to see mostly sunny conditions continue with VFR conditions over the next 24 hours. But we will see some breezy conditions, currently seeing those gusts up to around 18 knots or so over the course of the last hour. We are going to continue to see a slight increase in our winds as we go through the afternoon. Could see those winds close to that 25 knot criteria for a wind advisory. Probably see the gusts a little lower than that though, so less than a 50% chance of wind advisory as we go into the afternoon today. Breezy conditions will continue throughout the evening and overnight hours. I believe that will keep our temperatures above freezing just a hair as we go through the overnight hours tonight into Tuesday morning, seeing that low of 33. For winds are lighter than what is currently forecasted, we could see those temperatures drop just below freezing overnight tonight. But forecasted low of 33 degrees for tonight, and then as we go into Tuesday, we'll see much cooler conditions as that cooler air begins to fill into the region during the day on Tuesday. Partly cloudy and breezy conditions with a high of 45 degrees expected on Tuesday. Again, that chance of those winds up around 25 knots throughout the day on Tuesday. Tuesday night, we'll see those winds begin to decrease, partly cloudy and mostly clear skies, and we will see those low temperatures below freezing for Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning with a low of 29. For Wednesday, expect partly cloudy and pleasant conditions as winds will be much lighter during the day on Wednesday, and we'll see a high temperature of 47 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we'll see dry weather throughout the first portion of our week, and then the rain coming for the end of the week. Again, it looks like most of Thursday will remain dry. We'll see the clouds increasing throughout the day, and those rain showers likely holding off until the evening hours of Thursday. We'll see a high of 56 with those warm temperatures right ahead of that system that comes through during the end of the work week. And it does look like this timing will keep everything confined to the work week, and then our weekend should shape up to be a bit better than what we saw last week. Is that storm system should be moving out of the area in time for the weekend, so could see a few clouds remaining Saturday morning, but it looks like Saturday and Sunday we'll see some good weather in here with dry conditions, sunshine, and temperatures right around 50 degrees for daytime highs. Well, I wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning with briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.